TNA! So today we're starting a new project. These are the gas tanks for the house. As you can see, this is the whole piping and stuff of the gas. I'm not going to touch it. What I do want to do is make a closet that encapsulates this and where you don't see all this ugly stuff. So first up, we're going to take the measurements. The height is 90 centimeters and the width is about 70. So let's talk a bit about the plans. This is the whole cabin itself. It's 69 across and the width is 44 and the height is 90. As you can see, the lines I drew here is each individual plank, and the blue lines represent the planks that go horizontally. And the dotted lines are like the thing that from this angle, it's the back end of the piece. And downstairs here I drew all the pieces and the amount I need. So I need 69 that are 14 width. I need 11 of them because I need 6 for the front end, 3 for the upper end, and 2 to connect the two pieces together because the whole thing is going to be a door, so I need a sturdy frame. I need 90s, I need 3 plus 3 plus 2 because I need 3 on this side, 3 on this side, and 2 that are going to connect all the 69s over here. So I need 8, and I need 40 centimeters by 14. I need 6 of them because I need to connect all the 69s. So I need 2 over here, and I need 2 over here, and 2 over here. So that's 6 of them. This is the wood we're going to be using. Pretty rough, but it's fine. First thing I need to do is get all these nails out. Got my dad for a second hand, helping me take all the nails out.
There's the need to loose them first. If they move inside the wood, it's easier to take them out.
These were all the nails, just so you can see the scale. It was a nightmare. The first one, now we're going to cut it into 90s. Now we're going to cut these two also into 90s. These are all the 90s. I have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 13. So I think it's going to be enough. Plus I have some more wood if we need over there. We're going to cut 69 centimeters parts. We need it for the part that goes in the front. These are all the 69s all cut up. Next up, we need to sand them. So this is everything milled up. These are the 90s, these are the 69s, and these are the 40s. I ran out of wood, so I had to use this, but it's fine because it's the structural pieces, so you're not gonna see them from the outside. So now we need to. So this was awful. It took a long time, and just for reference, this is all the sandpaper it took. This is brand new ones, and this is what it made of it. It's 2, 4, 6 different sandpapers for the whole thing. So now we're gonna connect everything up. This is the setup. I'll explain it a bit. This side is the first side over here. These are 90s by 14, and I have these 2 pieces in place. They're 0.7 centimeters in width, so the planks at the end are gonna have a bit of distance in between of them. And this is the way I'm gonna connect them. I take this 40 centimeter piece, I marked where the screws are gonna go in, and I'm gonna put it in. So this is the first one. I've already clamped it in place. Now we're gonna screw it in. The wall all done. Let's put it up. This is the first wall. Now what I need to do is cut a little place for the wire, the gas wire, to go through so it can butt up against the wall. This is the basic template that I need to take out. Now we're going to cut. This is it after it's cut off. As you can see, everything is flush to the wall. Now we're going to continue to the next part. Now we need to make a... Good, now let's go to it. This is both of the walls up. Up here, I had to cut a little piece over here, and also downstairs in the corner, same thing as here. So now let's start. Up next, we're building the front side, the side. It's going to consist of 69 centimeters by 14 planks. And these are the 90s that are gonna run along to connect all of them. I'm gonna do that, and also spacing like before with the white planks. You should take it slow, yes. That's the part you always show. You're too curious. Baby, you should take it slow. It loosely fit because I haven't connected it yet, but it's gonna be a huge door on a hinge, and it's gonna open. So now the last part, the top part. Last piece, it's the the ceiling piece. So I've clamped in the piece that's gonna hold all three together. While clamping it, now we're gonna pre-drill a hole, then we're gonna screw. If you enjoyed the content, please consider subscribing and liking the video. Last slats are a bit too thin, so I can't screw them in all this way. So I made a hole. We're gonna make a hole here and screw it that way. Same here. These are the two holes. Now we're gonna screw it in. This is it. Everything is on, all assembled. Now the only thing that's left is just screwing everything together, because for now it's just pieces that are not even screwed together. This is the cross beam, and on top of this is gonna sit the ceiling. It's not gonna be screwed in, so you can take it off, but it's gonna be one cross beam here and another one over here. These are the two beams together. Up next, we're gonna mount the whole thing to the wall itself.
Up next, we're gonna fit the metal to the wall and to the wood.
There are two dibbles in the hole. Now we're gonna screw in the metal bracket. Now to the wood itself. These are all the brackets in, as you can see. Really strong, not going anywhere. Next up, I bought these hinges. Now we're gonna paint them.
Okay, now we're gonna install the hinge right here.
This is the first one in. Now we're gonna do the same downstairs. This is the second one in. Next up, we're gonna fix a bit of a problem I didn't think of. Because I put one screw in each one, the whole thing moves like this. The posts themselves hold them, but the whole thing just goes sideways. So we're gonna add another row on each side. This is it with the two screws in. Looks not as well, but has to do. Next time if you make something like this, remember that the whole thing can move sideways, so you need to put at least two screws in. Now we're gonna put on finish. Project done and dusted. Also really liking this one. Everything works, everything's functional. You can get in and out the gas chamber, and even left, as I said, the back part isn't screwed in, so you can take it off, so it's easier to get in. And that's it. Like and sub for more.